Welcome to OS class. In this session, I will cover the virtual memory and I will discuss about performance of demand paging. There are three major activities. First one is service interrupt, which requires careful coding, means just several hundred instructions needed here. Second one, read the page, lots of time, and restart the process, which again just a small amount of time. The page fault rate is in the range of 0 to 1, and 0 indicates that there are no page fault or 0%, and p equal to 1. When the p is 1, it is 100%, every reference is a fault. The effective access time is calculated using the formula that is identified by EAT. EAT equal to 1 minus p into memory access plus p into page fault overhead plus swap page out plus swap page in, where this p is nothing but is a page fault rate. Let us understand the demand paging with an example. The memory access time takes 200 nanoseconds. Average page fault service time is 8 milliseconds. Carefully observe the values here. It is 200 nanosecond. Unit is nanosecond. And average page fault service time is 8 milliseconds, which is equal to 8 into 10 to 6 nanosecond. And effective access time EAT can be calculated as 1 minus p into 200, this value, plus p into 8 milliseconds. If you expand this, 1 minus p into 200 plus p into 8 into 10 to 6, it comes out to be 200 plus this p into this value. If 1 access out of 1000, that is p equal to 1 divided by 1000, cause it is fault, then EAT equal to 8.2 microsecond. That is, if you put the p equal to 1 divided by 1000 here, you get the EAT equal to 8.2 microsecond. That is 8 into 2 into 10 to 6. This is slowed down by a factor of 40. That is, if you divide the 8.2 microsecond by 200, you get the 40. If we want performance degradation to be less than 80%, that is, here we are having the 200 nanosecond. If you add 10%, that is 220 here. So that is 220 greater than 200 plus this value. And if you manipulate this, we get the p, which is equal to less than 0.000025. That is, if you take the 1 divided by this value, we get the 4 lakh. There is one page fault in every 4 lakh memory accesses. Let us understand the copy on write, or it is called as COW. Copy on write allows both parent and child processors to initially share the same pages in memory. That is, when the parent process executes the system call fork, a new process child is created, and initially the parent and child can share the entire memories before the parent or child calls any program to separate these memory areas. If either process modifies a shared page, only then is the page copied. COW allows more efficient process creation as only modified pages are copied. In general, free phases are allocated from a pool of 0 fill-on demand pages. That is, before allocating the page, we make the page 0 or we make the page blank. Pool should always have free frames for fast demand page execution. We don't want to wait to have free frame as well as other processing on the page fault. Why zero out a page fault before allocating it? So for that reason, we will use the free fork system call, which is variation of fork system call. In this case, the parent suspend and the child who is in copy on write address space of parent here, and it is designed to have child call execute immediately after calling the child is created, and it is very efficient. The diagram illustrates the process 1 and process 2, which are the two processes sharing the common area. You can assume that process 1 is like the parent and process 2 is like a child process here, and before the process calls modification of page here. Here is the example here, process 1 is sharing the page A, B, C with the process 2 here. Let us see what happens when the process 1 modifies these pages. In this diagram, the process 1 has modified this page C. In this case, process 1 will be allocated to the new area and process 1 will use the same area here. If the COW is not used, the process 1 requires 3 pages separately and process 2 requires 3 pages separately, which is totally 6 pages. But using the COW, we can share the certain amount of space which can reduce the space complexity.